Hi, I'm Mayan Banerjee, and today I'm thrilled to introduce a significant contribution to the text-based community with a model known as Llama 2 by Meta. Llama 2 is the next big thing in open source language models. It's free for research and commercial use, and it's powered by an incredible 2 trillion token training dataset. Not only that, but it's been fine-tuned with the help of over 1 million human annotations. What makes Llama 2 truly stand out is that it outperforms other open source models in various tests, including reasoning, coding, proficiency, and knowledge assessments, according to Meta's own website. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty of how we can put Llama 2 to work with TextBase. After that, we will see a demo of the model in action. So first, in order to make Llama 2 work, we make use of Replicate. Replicate offers cloud technologies to help us run the machine learning models on their cloud, thus freeing us from the hassle of running them ourselves on our machines. So this is an example bot that I have created with the implemented Llama 2 model for demonstration purposes. First, we require the Replicate API key. For that, let's visit their website. So www.replicate.com. We sign in with GitHub. Then we go to API tokens. We copy the default API key and then we paste it here. Next comes system prompt, which defines the default behavior of the AI model that interacts with the user. Here I have gone with a simple "you are a helpful assistant" prompt, but feel free to play around with various prompting techniques and the model will behave accordingly. Try to keep the prompt precise though, otherwise Llama tends to give offensive responses. Next is the default template that is being used for all the bots of TextBase. Alright, so now let's go to models.py. As you can see, here I have maintained the object-oriented structure for robustness and ease in integration. The model I have used is Llama 7B version 2. 7B means it is the 7 billion parameter model. Other models like 13B, 70B exists, which means 13 billion parameter models and 70 billion parameter models, which can give us more accurate responses as they have been trained on more number of parameters, but they're costlier to use. Hence, I have gone with 7B. Feel free to play around with these parameters as well, but I have found that these values give me the best responses with the system prompt that I have shown earlier, that is, you are a helpful assistant. Now, these INST tokens, these are tokens that delimit the user responses from the AI responses. These are necessary to be put in this manner as written in the Llama 2 paper itself. Otherwise, the AI responses with time will get more and more convoluted. Rest of the portions are pretty much similar with small changes in how the Llama models functions and they take outputs and how they take inputs and stuff. Now, let's see the bot in action. So, let me close this. Yeah. Right. So, let's go here. Let's copy this. Paste this here. Center. Okay, so the path to the main.py will be the relative path to the main.py of our Llama bot that we have created. So this one, we copy the relative path, we paste it here. Press enter. Now we wait. There we go. Our bot is now running. Let's open the site. Alright. So now let's try out various prompts. Let's say 2 plus 2. It takes some time. Let's wait. See, 2 plus 2 equals 4. Let's continue. Let's say multiply 3 with 6. Should give 18. Yes, it gives 18. Let's try something else. Let's say translate I. This is a Llama 2 bot made for text-based hackathon to German. That's right. See, for the words that it has found a German translation like hello, it has provided the German word, but for other cases, it has not been able to provide the German words like for words like text base and llama, which are of course English words. Let's try something else. Translate hi, how are you to fetch. Let's put in chicken quotes just in case. Yeah, see, bonjour, comment vastu. So it's working fine. Now we can even try some geeky stuff. Like let's say write Python code to print hello world. See, it has given us the response print hello world, and this is exactly how we would write it in Python as well. Now context is maintained here, so let's say modify the above code to print both hello world and this is a text base bot. Again, let's put it in quotes to avoid confusing the bot. Yeah, let's wait. See, it gives us a modified version of the above code that prints both hello world and this is a text based bot. So our bot is running perfectly fine. If my PR is accepted, I can't wait to see what creative stuff people come up with. Thank you, Makor and TextBase team, for giving us this wonderful opportunity to contribute to this wonderful app. That's all from my side. Thank you once again. Have a nice day.